Oh look, a sick, nasty frog. Ew. Well, it has to turn into a prince. Get ready, Mr. Kitty. You aren't a prince. Well, that's my last time trying to kiss a frog. Did you know that frogs do not turn into princes? Well, they might if we save them.
Why did she kiss me? Does she know the real truth about frogs?
Whoa, look, it's a blue poison dart frog. Why are we here?
For the last time, Jack, we're here to look for endangered frogs.
Yeah, Delaney's right. So, why frogs?
Some frogs are going extinct, Jack.
And if you remove one organism from the food chain, another organism is going to be completely wiped out.
Bob, you're always acting so smart.
Because I am smart, unlike you.
Guys, let's get back to work.
Did you know that inside a frog's egg is a jelly-like substance?
Also, did you know that frogs lay their eggs in water?
I knew both of those. Save the frogs!
Professor Nick, have you noticed the decrease in frog population?
I have, and do you know why this is?
I actually do. The decrease in frog population is because of people destroying their habitats, which are forests and rainforests, to build homes.
Thanks, that's the exact information I needed for an essay. Did you see the glass frog video?
I did, and I learned that a glass frog's heart beats 40 times a minute. Their heart is visible, and they're as small as a human fingernail.
Wow, those are some amazing facts. I just thought of this, but how are we going to save the frogs?
Well, we could do a donation towards the Save the Frogs Association, or we could do a commercial. Let's get started.
Everybody just be quiet and listen. All we need to do is just go to SaveTheFrogs.com and learn how to save the frogs. That could be the best for us. Last year, the water bottles we littered to go around the earth 187 times. Let's go on SaveTheFrogs.com.
Ooh, this frog looks like me.
Look.
Well, the most important thing is that we're all together.
Let's team up. I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in. So
Save the frogs!
Why do you think Save the Frogs is so important?
Well, I think that Save the Frogs it's important because it affects everyone. What's happening to the frogs is their environments, their ecosystems are being destroyed by a lot of different things. And whenever an ecosystem is disrupted or a habitat is destroyed, then another habitat is affected by that. And so it kind of creates a domino effect. And so as humans, we have the ability to be proactive and do things to help those kind of destructions to help prevent some of those destructions. And so I chose Save the Frogs because it's a worldwide problem that's happening with our frog populations. And I also felt like this was something that you don't need to be an adult to make a difference. And so I knew that once my students would learned about the plight of the frogs, that they would want to help the frogs as well. So that's why I think it's important for us to pay attention to what's happening in the global habitats. And I also think that as learners, we have to learn about everything that is that affects our environment.
So this is exactly what I'm telling you to do. You better go do it, or else you turn like blue, just like the blue poison truffle gets endangered. And if you don't save it, then you might be too. So why do we have to save the frogs? Because they help the entire ecosystem. Wait a minute, this whole thing is wrong. The princess is mistaken. I'm talking about eels, I ain't talking about snails, but all we can do now is prevail from all the poor frogs' ponds drying up. But maybe you could talk to them, say what's up. You can comfort them, hug them, and play with them too. So maybe you forgot all I said about turning blue. But only if we save them, they'll turn into a prince. But how to save them, I ain't got any hints. Now, I want everybody to get over here. Hands in the air. Repeat after me. Everybody say the F-R-O-G. Just say the F-R-O-G. You gotta say the F-R-O-G. You better say the F-R-O-G.